How to change your date of birth in Instagram on your Android device. If you made a mistake when entering your date of birth when registering your Instagram account, you can easily update this information in your account profile, and I'm going to show you how. Okay, straight into it. So first, open up the Instagram app. Click on your profile picture in the bottom right hand corner. Next, click the three little lines in the top right hand corner and then click on Settings. Click on Account and then click on Personal Information. As you can see here, you can update your date of birth by clicking the bottom, and you can update it to whatever date you want to. If you're under 18, you will need to contact Instagram to confirm your date of birth. But other than that, you can change the date of birth to whatever you would like. It asks you to confirm, and you just click confirm. And there you have it, it's done. And that's all it takes to change your date of birth on Instagram in the Android app. If you found this video helpful, I'd love it if you liked the video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.